Welcome back to our channel Respect Education. Now we see example 2. The question is that find the area of the segments shaded in this figure. See, these are the segments. If PQ is equal to 24 centimeter, here length of the chord PQ is given as 24 centimeter and PR is 7 centimeter and QR is the diameter of the circle with center O. Use or take pi equal to 22/7 wherever it is necessary. Here let us observe the given figure, as we need to find the area of the shaded segments. You observe carefully. To get the shaded part, what we need to do? We have to find the area of the semicircle. That is, we can say, here we can say P, Q and R. From this we need to subtract area of the triangle PQR. If we subtract area of triangle PQR, then this portion and this portion. So we are able to find area of the required shaded segments. Now here let us start the problem. The solution is that since QR is the diameter, since QR is equal to diameter of the circle, we can say that angle P is angle in a semicircle, that is 90 degrees. That implies we can say angle QPR is equal to 90 degrees. Now area of shaded region or shaded part or shaded portion, however you call, is equal to area of the semicircle minus area of the triangle, area of triangle PQR. Let us write the formulas. Area of a semicircle 1/2 pi r square. Area of a circle is pi r square. Area of semicircle is half of pi r square, 1/2 pi r square, minus area of triangle is half into base into height. Here you observe carefully, the triangle here is right angle at P. So here if we take PQ as base, PR will be the height. If PR is base, then PQ will be the height. Simple. Here these two sides will be the height and base respectively. So here the formula of area of triangle PQR is half into base into height. Here if I take PQ as base, then PR will be the height. So 1/2 into PQ into PR. Here let us compare what are the given values. If you observe carefully, PQ is given as 24. So PQ is 24. PR is 7. So we are able to find area of triangle very easily. Now let us come back to here, area of semicircle. Its formula is 1/2 is constant, pi it can be taken as 22/7. We are in need of finding the radius. Radius R is not given in this problem. So here our target to find R, that is radius. So here we can write subheading as finding R. Finding radius small r, radius of the circle, finding R. Here if we take OR as radius of the circle R, similarly OQ is also, it will be R. That means here QR will be 2R, R plus R 2R. That to which kind of triangle it is? It is a right angle triangle. in which QR is the angle side opposite to the right angle, that is also called hypotenuse. So here we can apply Pythagoras theorem to find QR, so that we are able to find R also. So let us apply here. From triangle QPR, where angle P is equal to 90 degrees, let us apply Pythagoras theorem. We can write by Pythagoras theorem, square of the hypotenuse, that is QR square, is equal to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Other two sides are PQ and PR. PQ and PR. So it is QR square equal to PQ square plus PR square. Let us substitute the values. QR is R plus R, 2R. So we can write this 2R whole square is equal to PQ given as 24. So PQ square will be 24 square. And PR given as 7. So PR square is 7 square. So let us simplify. Here 2R whole square is equal to 24 square is 576. Plus 7 square is 49. On adding these two, we get 625. This is 2R whole square. 625 can be written as 5 square. 25 square. It is not 5 square, 25 square. So on taking square roots both the sides, 2R will be 25. 2R is 25. As we are in need of finding R is equal to, let us send 2 here, it is 25 by 2. As these two are in centimeter, here radius also will be in centimeter. So here we found radius of the circle as 25 by 2 centimeter. Now we are able to find the area of the shaded region. Now area of shaded region is area of the semicircle whose formula is 1 by 2 pi r square. So let us write here as, let us write 1 by 2 as it is into pi. Pi it is given in the question 22 by 7 into r square. R square is 25 by 2 whole square. 25 by 2 whole square. So 1 by 2 pi r square minus half into PQ into PR. Half into PQ is 24 into PR is 7. Let us simplify this value. Here let us write 1 by 2 as it is into 22 by 7. Let us split it as 25 by 2 into 25 by 2 minus, here we can cancel 24 with this 2 12 times. 2 12 are 24. So here 12 into 7 is 84. 84. Let us simplify this value. Here any cancellation? Here this 22 can be cancelled with 2 11 times. Now here we get 11 into 25 into 25. Here we do rough work. 25 25 are 625. 625 into 11. So here when we multiply with 11, 11 5s are 55. Here 5 is left. 11 2s are 22 plus 5 27. Here 2 is left. 11 6s are 66 plus 2 68. It is 6875. Divided by, here 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28. So here it is 6875 divided by 7 2s are 14, 14 2s are 28 minus 84. Let us write as it is. Now we are going to do the division. We are going to divide 6875 with 28. 6875 with 28. 28 2s are 56. On subtracting we get 12. Let us drop here 7. Now here can we take 28 6 jar, 6 8 jar 48 4, 6 2 jar 12 plus 4 it is more. Can we try with 5? 5 8 jar 40, 0 4 is there. 5 2 are 10, 10 plus 4 14, that is also more. So we can try with 4. 4 8 are 32, 3, 4 2s are 8, 8 plus 3 11. So on subtracting we get here 5, this is 115. Let us drop this 5 here. Now we can take 5 times 5 into 28 is 140. Now here on subtracting you will get 15. Here you keep point decimal, here 1 0 will get. So here we can take one more time 5 times. Clear? So here we will get again 140. So here 10 is left. So here because of the decimal 100 will come. 28 3s are. So after getting decimal, if we get 2 points, we can stop it. So here I am writing this as here 245.53 minus this 84. Minus 84. So here on subtracting, here we get 53 as it is. 5 minus 4 is 1. 24 minus 8 is 16. So here we can write, here we maintain this as the rough column. This is for our simplification. So let us write the final answer here as, on dividing this, then after subtracting 84, here we get 161.53. Here what about the units? Here as it is in centimeter, so here it is area. So we need to write here centimeter square, or we can say square centimeter. Therefore here we can conclude that the area of the segments shaded in the figure is 161.53 centimeter square. So with this, example 2 gets completed. Now we see example 3. A round tabletop has 6 equal designs as shown in the figure. See, this is the round tabletop. It has 6 equal designs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If the radius of the tabletop is 14, if its radius as it is in the shape of circle, so area of the circle is 14, radius of the circle is 14 centimeter. Then find the cost of making the designs with paint at the rate of 5 rupees per centimeter square. Use root 3 is equal to 1.732. So here the thing is that we are going to find the cost of painting, that too at the rate of 5 rupees per cm square. That means first we need to find the area of the shaded region for what we are going to paint now. So here the question is that we are going to find area of the shaded region first, using which we are going to find the cost. So let us solve the problem here. Here given radius r is equal to, radius of circle, that is small r, is equal to 14 centimeter. Before finding the cost, we need to find the area. So let us find here now area of shaded region. Area of shaded region is equal to, here you see the shade, to get the shaded region we have to take area of the circle. From that we need to subtract the area. Which area is to be subtracted? Here you observe. Let us take, this is the circle whose center is O. Here I am taking this center as O. Let us take these points as A, B, C, D, E and F. Now join OA, OB, OC, OD, OE and OF. So here as it is given, here all the designs, all 6 designs are equal. So here AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to DE equal to EF equal to AF. As we know, each one of them is a chord, and that too all are equal chords. Equal chords subtend equal angles at the center, so that here each angle will be divided, each angle is nothing but 360 degrees will be divided by these 6 chords equally, so that each angle will be here 60 degrees, 60 degrees, 60, 60, 60 and also 60 degrees. And moreover, since here you observe carefully here, OA is equal to OB. So these two angles are also equal. Clear? So here this is what 180 degrees minus 60 by using angle sum property. 180 degrees minus 60 degrees is 120 degrees will be shared by both of them equally. So each will get here 60, 60. Similarly here also 60, 60. Same 60 degrees, 60 degrees. Here also 60, 60, 60, 60, 60 degrees, 60 degrees. So in triangle OAB, each angle is 60 degrees. What kind of triangle it is? It is an equilateral triangle. So that here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we have 6 equilateral triangles. Now the area of the shaded region is equal to area of the circle minus 6 times area of an equilateral triangle. So here let us write area of the shaded region, or we can say area of the design, is equal to area of circle minus 6 times area of equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. Now let us write the formulas. Area of circle is pi r square and 6 times area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 side square. We can say a square, where a is the side of these any one of the triangles. Of course all the sides are equal, so we can write here, for example, if we take this as a, here everything will be a itself. Clear? And if you understand carefully, if this is A, means AB is A, since it is an equal triangle, OA and OB, they are also A. That means each side is equal to A. And in the question you observe carefully, radius given as 14 centimeter. OA and OB and OC all are radii. That means here OA equal to 14, OB equal to 14, so that AB is also 14. So here we can say A is equal to 14 and R is also given directly as 14. So here let us write the values. Given R is equal to 14 centimeters and A is also nothing but R, that is also nothing but 14 centimeter. So here it's a direct problem. We are not going to find any value, just substitute them and let us simplify to get the answer. So here let us move forward. Pi is equal to, pi means here 22 by 7. So pi is equal to 22 by 7 into R square. R square nothing but 14 square. So here let us write 14 into 14. Right? This is the area of circle minus, here as the place may not be sufficient, here I am writing 6 times root 3 by 4. Here it is given, we can use root 3 as 1.732. So here I am writing in place of root 3, I am writing 1.732 by 4 into A square. Since A is 14 here, we can write 14 into 14. Right. Now let us simplify this value. Here we can cancel, or here we can take 14 to 14 common also. I think it may be easiest way of solving. We will take, here you observe 14 into 14, here 14 into 14. I am going to take common. 14 into 14. So here 22 by 7 is left. Let us write 22 by 7 minus 6 into this 14 into 14 is taken as common. So here 1.732 by 4 is left. Let us divide 1.732 with 4. So here we can write it is 4 1s are, and it is 0 point means 17. 17 means 4 4s are 16. Here 1 is left, so 1 means 13 it is. So 4 3s are 12, again 1, so it is 12. So again we can write 4 3s are. So this is 0.433. If we divide 1.732 with 4, we get 0.433. Now let us simplify. 14 into 14, let us maintain the same, into 22 by 7 also write as it is, minus, let us multiply this value with 6. 6 3s are 18. So here 1 is there. 6 3s are 18 plus that one 19. Again 1 is there. 6 4s are 24 plus 1 25. Since the next number is 0, we can write 2.5 directly. So let us write 2.5. Now here what we are going to do, write 14 into 14 as it is into, let us take here 7 as LCM. So here what comes, 22 will come as it is, 22 minus 2.598 into 7. Let us multiply here directly. 7 8 are 56. So here 6, 5 is left. 7 9 are 63. 63 plus 5, 68. So here 8, 6 is left. 6 5 are 7 5 are 35. 35 plus 6, 41. Here 1 and 4 is left. Here 7 2s are 14 plus 4, 18. See here after decimal 3 values are there. Let us maintain after decimal 3 values. So it is 18.186. 18.186. Now here let us write the 14 as it is, 14 as it is into 22 minus 18.186. Here let us use this space for this rough column. So I am going to subtract here, that is 22.000 minus 18.186. So on subtraction, it is 10 minus 6 is 4, 9 minus 8 is 1, it is here 9, 9 minus 1 is again 8 point, this is 21, so 3. Let us check once again. It is 6 plus 4 is 10, here 1, it is 10, here 1, it is 10, here 1, okay. 3.814. 3.814 by 7. Now here what happens? Let us cancel this 14 with 7, that is 2 times. Right. Now here we are going to move this side. 14 write as it is into 2 into 3.814. So here 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Here 1 is carry forward. 2 3 are 6 plus 1 7. Right. Now let's multiply here. 14 into 8 is 112. So here 2 and 11 is carry forward. 14 2s are 28 plus 11 is 39. Here 3 is carry forward. 14 3s are 84 plus 3, 87. Here 8 is carry forward. 14 7s are 98. 98 plus 8 is 106. Now here you observe, after this point, after decimal value, 3 digits are there. So let us count 1 2 3. Here we keep the point. So it is 106.792. So here we are going to decide the position of 2 here. You see, as it is less than 5, so we can write this as 106 point. As it is 5 or more than 5, 1 can be added. As it is less than 5, we can write 79 as it is. So 79 cm square. This is the area of the design, the shaded region. Now we are going to find the cost of painting. So here I am writing finding cost. Finding cost. Here let us read the question properly. That to paint at the rate of 5 rupees per cm square. Per 1 cm square, there is amount of rupees 5. So for this much cm square, it will be 106.79 into 5 rupees. Into 5 rupees. So let us write this answer as rupees. 5 9 are 45. Here 5, 4 is there, 4 is carry forward. 5 7 are 35 plus 4, 39. Here 3 is there. 5 6 are 30 plus 3, 33. As next number is 0, we can write 33 as it is. And 5 1 are 5. So here the final answer is 533 rupees 95 paise. With this, example 3 gets completed.